Introducing Pogampool's Showcase Display Cabinet. This beautiful cabinet is fully integrated into our regular cabinet series. It has metal frames with an integrated handle. We offer several colors of metal. The interior is fully customizable, including the glass shelf in different colors. The back may also be ordered in different mirrors. This is a satin mirror glass. It's also available in bronze, satin, as well as regular mirror. And then of course the sides and the carcass, this can also be ordered in different colors, including customizable. The integrated LED lighting is on both sides. It does angle towards the back, so that way it is featuring your objects. Of course, it has soft close, integrated beautifully within any of our Pogampool cabinetry, and really nice to use. This is the remote control. It can also be plugged into a switched outlet, so you have options on how you wish to display and use your beautifully functional cabinet.